Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So those are new to my channel, so let me introduce myself. I am Sunanda Nayak. So if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. तो चलिए चलते हैं आज के वीडियो की तरफ. So आज का वीडियो होने वाला है बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग. I am going to share you with you all a makeup tutorial. So you must be thinking that इसमें क्या इंटरेस्टिंग है. मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल तो बहुत सारा होता है, बट दिस मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल इज गोइंग टू बी अ मास्क फ्रेंडली मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल. यस फ्रेंड, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू अ मास्क फ्रेंडली मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल. सो मेरे वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा. मैं आपको कुछ टिप्स और ट्रिक्स बताऊंगी जिससे आप जब मेकअप करेंगे, मास्क जब यूज करेंगे, तो आपका मेकअप बहुत ही ज्यादा फ्लॉलेस और बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा मास्क के साथ. हम लोग जैसे पैंडेमिक के एरा में हैं, तो मास्क यूज करना बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है. प्लीज मास्क जरूर यूज कीजिएगा. और ऐसा नहीं कि अपना मेकअप को फ्लॉन्ट करने के लिए आप मास्क यूज ना करें, ऐसे बिल्कुल भी गलती मत कीजिएगा. मास्क जरूर यूज कीजिएगा. मास्क के साथ ही मेकअप करेंगे तो बहुत ही ज्यादा फ्लॉलेस लगेगा. तो आज मैं आपसे दिखाने वाली हूँ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल, जो कोई भी आपको देखे तो देखता ही रह जाए. ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल कुछ इस तरह होगा. प्लीज मेरे वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो इसको लाइक जरूर कर दीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स लोग के साथ शेयर कीजिए. तो चलते हैं, शुरू करते हैं मेकअप. So first I have tied my hair, as you can see, so that my hair don't disturb me while doing makeup. So the next step is going to be toning my face. So I've washed my face using Mama Earth face wash. It is super face wash. You can see its complete review I have shared with you all. So I'm going to use this Good Vibe Rose Hip toner, which is the best one, and I'm going to spray it all over my face and let it dry. Toner has dried up. Now I'm going to start my makeup. So I'm going to use a moisturizer. So I'm going to use this Pond's ultra light moisturizer, so that my makeup does not look patchy. So it's very lightweight. So if you are of oily skin category, so you can use it. This is very lightweight and it moisturizes your face very nicely. These are infused with vitamin E, which provides nourishment to your face as well. So just you need to apply moisturizer all over your face. So as you can see, my face is looking very soft, supple and very hydrated because I've used a moisturizer, very good moisturizer. Then my next step is going to be, I'm going to use a BB cream. Why I'm using BB cream? Because as we will wear this mask, so you can see it is covering this much portion. So there is no use of doing wastage of foundation, because foundation are really very expensive. So I don't purchase BB cream personally, because as you know that BB cream can be made by DIY. So what I do, I use this foundation and I mix this moisturizer and I make my own BB cream, because BB cream is nothing, it is the lesser percentage of foundation and more percentage of moisturizer. Sorry friends. So I am going to take one pump of this foundation. So I am using Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation 24 hours and my shade number is 150 Radium Beige. So then I am taking this moisturizer and I am taking this much of moisturizer and I am mixing it. Sorry. So I have mixed it and I have made my own BB cream. Okay. Now I am going to put it all over my face, and you can use your fingertip or you can use your brush. That's all up to you. So I am using my hand. So like this I am going to dab all over my face and I am going to use. So I am also using this BB cream because if lesser percentage of lesser coverage is giving this BB cream, so that the stain, we will not have a stain in our mask. Okay. So as you can see, I have applied all over my face. So it's giving medium coverage as I have used my moisturizer in it. Okay. So I have blended properly. Then I am going to use a compact. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Compact, and this is shade B5 Sand Beige. So I'm going to set all over my face, because if we will not set our face, then there is a chances that our mask will get stained and our our BB cream will get transferred to our mask. So I'm going to use this compact all over my face. So you can see it giving little coverage also. Okay, this is very good compact. So I'm using all over around my neck also, so that my neck and my face both look same. So I've set my face very properly, and then I'm going to fill my eyebrows, because when you will wear a mask, then the parts which is exposed is the eye part. So if you will make your eye part look more natural, more vibrant, then will look very good. So I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Pro eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to line it first. So I'm lining it. I'm lining it, then filling it, so that it will look very natural. So like this I'm going to fill. So this is waterproof. So if you want to purchase any eyebrow which is affordable, at the same time it gives a natural finish, you can purchase this. Okay friends, and you can build also. Okay, so I filled my brows. Now I filled my eyebrows. Then I'm going to use this 20 something palette. This is an eye palette. I'm going to take this brown shade. This is very dark brown shade. I'm going to create a shadow over my crease. So here, somewhat here, I'm patting it, and then I'm creating a shadow. You can see it will look very nice, and you need to blend it very nicely so that it will look flawless. So you can see how I have created shadow. So the same process I'm going to use this shadow on this side of the eyes. So I have applied this side of my eyes also. You can see as I have created shadow over my eyes are looking very vibrant. Now I'm going to line my eyes. So for lining my eyes, I'm using this L18 eyeliner. So you need to take this, and I'm going to draw a line, a very thin line. So like this, I'm going to create a wing liner here. So you can see I've created a wing. Now what I will do to my eyes, so that it looks really good, I will make a tail. So I'm going to make a tail here, my corner of my eyes, so that my eyes will be looking very bigger, larger and attractive at the same time. So just you need to look up, and you need to make an extra line here, and you need to join it with the lower, like this. Okay, so this is the way to do. So I will do the other side also, and I will be back. So I have used liner. You can see this side also. Now I am using this kajal. You can see this kajal. This is from Lakme 925 Natural Gel Kajal, and this is infused with aloe vera and candula, which makes your eyes smooth, and which make feel your eyes colder, and this is very good for your eyes. So I will line my waterline with this kajal like this. This kajal comes with this small brush which makes it easy to apply over my waterline, so you can see. So I will apply on my other side and I will be back. I applied kajal. Now the next step is I will apply this mascara. This mascara is from Maybelline Total Temptation. This is my most favorite mascara. You can see it wand. You can see it's wand. It makes your lashes look longer, voluminized, and it makes it lengthier. So you can see I will apply on my this eyes and I will show you the difference between two eyes. So patiently you need to apply this. You can see this is the first coat. So I am using the second coat of this. And I will use on my other eyes. You can see. Now the next step is going to apply. I am going to apply a lip balm. So I am going to apply this lip balm. This lip balm is from Himalaya Lip Balm, because as we will wear a mask, there is no use of using lipstick on lips. So I am going to use this lip balm on my lips and I will complete my look. So here I am using lots of lip balm so that it will hydrate my face. Now the next step is going to be, and I am going to set my powder so that it will make sure that my foundation don't get stained with the mask. So I am going to set it again. So this way I will set it, and I am going to wear a mask. So I will show you my complete look. So this is my complete look, friends. I hope you all liked it, and please use mask. And I will show you some pics where I have clicked many pics with this mask, so that it will make a clear idea that how my look has turned out. I know after using this mask my video video color has little bit slightly changed. I don't know, this is because due to focus issues. So if you like my video, then please give a thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel, those who have not subscribed. And in my comment section, do share your viewpoints at how you liked it or not. And thank you, friends, and thank you for watching my videos. So see you on my next video.